Hi, I'm Bryan. Welcome to Ask Bryan Cheong. Have you imagined if one day all your SQL accounting software data disappear or lost, what will happen to you? It must be one of the worst days of your life. To prevent this, you need to do a proper backup process for your SQL accounting software data. Let's log into SQL Accounting. In SQL Accounting, go to File, Backup Database. Over here, you need to select where you want to backup to. And let's say you have not set any. What you need to do is go to Backup to, select the arrow down, and select Add Local Storage. Do not select Add Cloud Storage. This is not your Google Cloud or Google Drive, and also it's not your Dropbox. It is SQL AI Drive where you need to subscribe separately. Unless you have subscribed it, then only you can add cloud storage. Else, just add local storage. For my personal practice, I always go to C Drive and create a folder called SQL Backup. So this is the folder I want to backup to. You will see your backup folder will appear here automatically. Just click backup, backup done. Next time, what you need to do is just repeat the step. Go to File, Step 1, Backup Database, Step 2, and click Backup. So there's no way for you to tell me that you don't know how to backup SQL data. But this is not good enough because all your data or all your backup file is still in your computer. What happens if your computer is crashed? Your backup file also crashed. The second step that you need to do is C Drive, SQL Backup. This is your backup file. Right-click. Copy the whole SQL Backup folder and paste it to your pen drive. Every day, you should have at least 2 copies, one inside computer and one outside your computer in a pen drive or external hard disk. And very important step is to unplug this pen drive from your computer. If the pen drive always attached to your computer and you encounter virus attack, your pen drive will also be affected and the backup file also will be crashed. To restore SQL accounting software data, you just need to, at the login screen, click on the setting, click restore, choose the backup file. Example is in your C Drive SQL backup folder. Let's say this one, and click OK. Try not to use the system default and put in your company name. Let's say ABC, just put ABC and the date of your restore. The reason being is because the system will not replace your existing data. Then it will result in you have multiple company with the same company name, but as a different database. So it'll be a bit confusing. By putting in the company name and also the date, then we know that which is the latest version. And for those you are not using anymore, you can just right-click on it, then click Drop Database Name. Try not to delete it because just in case you have made a mistake or you delete the wrong database, then all your data will be gone. So just drop it. It will not appear in your selection, but the physical database still in your computer, and we are able to retrieve back later if you want to. So this is the prevention steps. What is the solution? Just subscribe to SQL Accounting Cloud version. Even you are existing SQL Accounting Software Windows version user, you still can host your SQL data. After hosting, what will happen is you will no longer use your original Windows-based SQL. You just need to go to a website called connect.sql.com.my. By doing this, you no longer need to do backup and you can use it anytime, anywhere. If you are interested in SQL Accounting Connect or hosting service, just contact us directly. Once again, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.